Have you ever wanted to create a chatbot without needing to write a single line of code? Well, you're in luck because today I'm going to show you how to build a chatbot in just 10 minutes using a drag-and-drop interface that's perfect for non-technical professionals. First, let's talk about why chatbots are so popular right now. According to a recent survey, over 70% of businesses are already using chatbots to automate customer support, and this number is expected to grow exponentially in the coming months. With the rise of conversational AI, it's become easier than ever to create chatbots that can understand and respond to user queries. To get started, you'll need to sign up for a free account on ManyChat, a leading platform for building chatbots without code. Simply head over to manychat.com and click on the Sign Up button. Fill out the registration form with your email address and password, and you'll be given access to their intuitive drag-and-drop interface. Once you're logged in, click on the Create a New Chatbot button and give your chatbot a name. For this example,